Are you one of the millions around the globe who endure the constant agony of back pain? It's a common issue, often stemming from things like poor posture, heavy lifting, or just too much sitting. What if I told you that a simple kitchen staple could be the answer to your back pain woes? Enter olive oil, a golden liquid that's been a cornerstone of Mediterranean diets for centuries. This humble pantry staple, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of health benefits, a veritable liquid gold. Let's start with its anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is brimming with compounds like oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug. So when you're feeling that twinge in your lower back, consider reaching for a bottle of olive oil. Next, let's touch on antioxidants. Olive oil is packed with them. These tiny warriors fight off harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. That's right, they're not just good for your heart, they're also good for your back. Speaking of heart, olive oil is a fantastic source of heart-healthy fats. These monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol levels and provide a source of lasting energy. So not only are you keeping your heart in check, you're also fueling your body for the day. But the magic of olive oil doesn't stop at consumption. You know that lower back pain we've been talking about? Well, applying olive oil topically can also provide relief. It's a two-pronged approach to tackling back pain. But it's not just about consuming the oil. Applying it topically can also provide relief. Applied topically, olive oil can penetrate deep into your skin, reaching the painful muscles and joints. Imagine massaging this golden elixir into your back, the oil working its magic as it seeps in, relaxing tensed muscles, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing. It's like an invisible healing hand soothing your aching back. The best part? The more you use it, the better it gets. Olive oil's properties are not a one-time wonder, but improve with time. With regular use, olive oil could become your secret weapon against back pain. So, the next time your back screams in pain, reach out for that bottle of olive oil. Packed with healing properties, it's a natural remedy for back pain. Give it a try and experience the magic yourself. Remember, the path to a pain-free back might just be in your kitchen cabinet.